Hello, we will be using Desmos to review ordered pairs, lines, and linear inequalities. So what you see here is called the Cartesian coordinate system, and it has two axes. The horizontal axis is called the x-axis, and the vertical axis is called the y-axis. We plot points in this coordinate system by using what are called ordered pairs. I start with a left parenthesis, I do a number, a comma, another number, and a right parenthesis. In Desmos, I can have it labeled. So I just plotted the point 2, 3, which means from this middle value called the origin, you would go right 2 in the x direction and up 3 in the y direction. Let's plot a few more ordered pairs. 6, 3, 7, 6, 2, 1, and lastly, let's plot the origin, which is 0, 0. I'm now going to plot a vertical line. Vertical lines are an equation that you have an x and you set it equal to a number. So I just plotted the vertical line x equals 2, which notice it goes through all points where the x coordinate is equal to 2. Now what would happen if I changed that to a linear inequality? Well, I'm going to click on the keypad. I'm going to delete the equals and replace it with a greater than or equals. Notice I still have the line x equal 2 as the border, but Desmos shades all the points to the right of that line. Notice all x coordinates of any point to the right of that line are greater than 2. What do you think would happen if we changed that greater than or equal to a less than or equal to? Well, let's do it. Notice that it shades all points to the left of the line where the x coordinates of each point are less than 2. Now let's graph a horizontal line. Horizontal lines are y equal a number. Let's do y equals 3. Notice this horizontal line passes through all points where the y coordinate is equal to 3. If I change the equal to a greater than or equal, it shades all points above the line where the y coordinates are greater than 3. And if I change it to a less than or equal, it shades all points below the line where the y coordinates are less than 3. Now let's graph a slanted line. Slanted lines have both an x and a y in the equation. I'm going to plot 2x plus 4y equals 16. And with a slanted line, any ordered pair that lies on the line will, when you plug it into the equation, makes the equation true. So let's try that. 2 for x, 3 for y. 2 for x, 2 times 2 is 4. 3 for y, 4 times 3 is 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. Any other point on the line makes the equals the equation true. Now what happens if we change the equals to a greater than or equals? As I suspected, it shades above the line. And if I was to plug any of these ordered pairs into this inequality, the left side would be greater than the right side. Let's try it for 6, 3. 2 times 6 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Which is definitely greater than 16. So what happens if we change it to a less than or equal? Well, as I suspected, it shades below the line where points plugged in, any of these points, will make the left side of the equation less than 16. Let's try 2, 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, which is less than or equal to 16. I hope you found this video helpful.